I haven't used my bike in so long that a bird has made an actual nest in my helmet. Oh my god, a bird was making a nest on my mom's car.
You are not making a good nest.
His helmet was left hanging here, and now a bird has built a nest in his helmet.
Move the bins. I've got nothing for you. So we're going to let the mum come back, leave her in. Murder!
There's two. There's a bird. I literally don't know what to do. Like,
Our bird didn't understand the assignment. I guess she didn't want a birdhouse, she wanted a bird loft.
Well, we were gonna throw the boots away back here, but I don't think we will right now.
What the
Oh, that poor little guy.
It's okay.